So last night I went to a concert and I got to see one of the greatest bands coming out of Seattle, Deep Sea Diver. And Deep Sea Diver has their own custom pedal, and they were selling it at their merch booth. Now, this comes from Benson amps. I've never had a pedal from them, but I'm excited about it, because I went and watched the videos that they posted about this pedal. When I got the pedal, the band kindly signed it for me, because I like to keep the boxes. So that was very cool of them. So we've got the pedal here. Got this Echo Fuzz, or fuzz-echo. I got to hear them use it last night and it sounds awesome. Jessica's name right there. Let's see what else comes in the box here. Deep Sea Diver sticker. We've got suggested presets. This is very cool. I haven't seen this in a pedal box yet. This is awesome. Very cool. Oh, we got Jessica's favorite settings here. That's cool. I'm gonna have to go through and try all these. This is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna add this to my pedal board this morning. Got some words from Jessica. Some other information here. Power supply information. No battery. Cool. Nothing more than 9 volts. Boss style center negative power supply. Sweet. That's all I run. Awesome. We got one other little thing in here. We got little rubber feet for the bottom of this thing, so that was cool. Probably just keep those in the box with the suggested settings. Genuinely love this band. They're so great. If you haven't heard of them, go check them out. Definitely worth your time, and they put on a killer show. One of the best shows I've seen in a very long time, and I go to a lot of shows. So that's it for now. Hope you all enjoy.